Hi, it's Dr. Shah, your go-to resource for medicine, nutrition, and fitness to help you improve your quality of life. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what do you do when you hit a plateau in your fitness journey. Let's go. It is very common that people who exercise regularly, they tend to reach a point where the body is adapted to the current exercise regimen. The progress slows down, it might stop altogether. Now, the frequency of fitness plateaus varies depending on a range of factors, including the individual's fitness level, intensity, training history. Experienced athletes or individuals who have been exercising for a long period of time are more likely to experience fitness plateaus than beginners who just started out. But overall, it can be a frustrating phase where you feel like you're doing everything in your power to stay consistent in your workouts, you're eating right, but you're just not seeing the results you want, whether that's in weight loss, strength gains, or just random changes in your physique. You're just not seeing it, and that can be frustrating. So before we dive into my favorite tips to break the plateau, let's quickly take a second to note that when we first start exercising, our bodies respond by getting stronger, faster, and more efficient in the specific tasks that we perform. However, as we continue to perform the same exercises over and over again, follow the same routine for a long period of time, our bodies become accustomed to the demands we place on them. At this point, our bodies no longer need the same stress. What happens is we adapt to these exercises, and that causes a reach in the plateau in our fitness progress. Additionally, there's other factors that can play a role: inadequate nutrition, lack of sleep, chronic stress. They all play a certain role into plateauing in a fitness journey. So now, how do we break that plateaus? Here are a couple of my favorite tips, and these tips are for someone who wants to lose weight but has been kind of stagnant in the process. So number one, go back to the basics. Make sure you have a well-balanced foundation behind any weight loss program. They should entail healthy eating habits, such as aiming for 3 servings of fruits and vegetables daily each, aiming for at least 3 liters of water daily, and prioritizing protein based on your body weight and goals. And you want to make sure you're active throughout the day. One of the best ways is counting steps. Number 2, really dial in and track those calories every day. If you're tracking on the weekdays only and on the weekends you want to keep it loose, you may be ingesting more than you think, and that could play a role in energy balance. That can cause you to get out of that caloric deficit that you need to see progress, and that ultimately can leave your weight being stagnant. Number 3, increase your activity. One of the best ways to continue the progress of weight loss is to simply walk more. If you're averaging 6,000 steps a day, aim for 7,000 the following week and work yourself up to 10,000. This increased activity will help you burn more calories and is an easy way to get out of that plateau funk. Number 4, ramp up the intensity in your workouts. Strength training is the basis of the weight loss program. If you're not properly strength training consistently at least 2 times a week, then that is going to slow your progress drastically. But remember, having muscle on your body will increase your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day. It's a cheat code. Number 5, eating very low calories. I've seen this time and time again. When you eat severely low calories for a long period of time, there is a level of adaptation that happens to your metabolism. Your metabolism is basically forced to slow down to keep up with the energy balance. For example, if you're eating 1,200 calories, in general terms, your metabolism is going to slow a little bit to account for those calories burned, so it can preserve the majority of the tissues that are necessary to function. This is one of the major reasons as to why people stop seeing results when they eat extremely low, particularly in combination with the lack of strength training. So to combat this, it is imperative to slowly add calories back to your system for the sake of building your metabolism and setting you at a foundation that is healthy. By increasing your calories, you'll be able to put more muscle on easily, you'll have more energy, and when you finally reach that healthy foundation, any action plan that you proceed with from there, whether that's losing weight or gaining muscle, you're more likely to achieve better results and keep it off. So there you have it. If you are seeing results that are stalling in your fitness journey, make sure to utilize these tips that I've talked about and experiment with them and see if it works for you. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment below and let me know what the next question in regards to health and fitness that you want me to answer. I'll see you guys next time.